One of the strongest performing major crypto tokens today is Pump. And this move is getting interesting because it is not just another random meme coin spike. Pump, the native token behind pumpfun, has gained roughly 90% over the past month after nearly doubling from its July low, and now its chart is flashing one of the most watched bullish technical signals in trading, a golden cross. That happens when the faster 50-day moving average crosses above the longer-term 200-day average. Basically, short-term momentum is finally becoming stronger than the longer-term trend. It does not guarantee Pump keeps going higher, but this is the first time since the token launched that this particular bullish crossover has started forming. And some of the other indicators are backing it up. Pump's Trend Strength Indicator, or ADX, is above 45. Anything above 40 is generally considered a strong trend. Meanwhile, its RSI is sitting around 51. That means momentum is bullish, but Pump is not technically sitting deep in overbought territory yet. But honestly, the chart might not even be the most interesting part. Pumpfun generated more than $11 million in revenue over the past 7 days, and roughly $5.4 million was directed into its pump, buyback, and burn program. That means actual revenue generated by the platform is being used to buy pump tokens and remove them from circulation. That creates something a lot of crypto projects desperately want, a reason for demand beyond pure speculation. Pumpfun also continues expanding its social trading features as it competes for traders inside the Solana ecosystem, and derivatives traders are becoming more aggressive too. Open interest in pump futures has climbed significantly in recent weeks, while the price has also moved higher. That usually suggests fresh capital is entering the trade instead of this simply being shorts getting liquidated. Of course, that can work both ways. More leveraged traders also means a sudden reversal can create some nasty liquidations, so this is absolutely not a guaranteed breakout. But Pump is definitely one of the more interesting charts in the market right now. And if you are actively following projects across different ecosystems, one tool I think makes crypto a lot easier to manage is Best Wallet. Best Wallet is a non-custodial multi-chain wallet where you can buy, store, and swap supported cryptocurrencies from one app. It supports major ecosystems including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, which is especially useful as more opportunities start appearing across different chains. It also includes features like biometric authentication, two-factor authentication, and MPC-based security. The Best Wallet link is in the description if you want to check it out. And another project I think is worth researching right now is LiquidChain. LiquidChain is taking the multi-chain idea even further. Instead of building another blockchain that operates in isolation, LiquidChain is developing a Layer 3 designed to bring together 3 of the biggest ecosystems in crypto: Bitcoin's massive capital base, Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem, and Solana's speed. The idea is to create one unified execution and liquidity layer where developers and users can interact across those ecosystems without everything being trapped inside separate blockchain silos. That is a pretty compelling idea if crypto continues becoming increasingly multi-chain. LiquidChain is still early and highly speculative, so there is obviously significant risk. But from an infrastructure standpoint, it is one of the newer projects I think is worth taking a closer look at. The LiquidChain link is also in the description. Coming back to Pump though, the big question now is whether this golden cross becomes the start of a larger breakout, or whether traders have already pushed the move too far. For now, the combination of rising revenue, token buybacks, stronger momentum, and increasing trader interest definitely makes Pump one to watch. As always, do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose.